Cook means to prepare food with heat. Example, I cook dinner every evening. Bake means to cook food in an oven. Example, she bakes a cake. Fry means to cook food in hot oil. Example, he fries potatoes. Boil means to cook in very hot water. Example, I boil eggs for breakfast. Serve means to give food or drinks to people. Example, the waiter serves coffee. Eat means to put food in your mouth and swallow it. Example, we eat lunch at noon. Drink means to take liquid into your mouth and swallow it. Example, I drink water every day. Taste means to try the flavor of something. Example, she tastes the soup. Cut means to divide something with a knife or scissors. Example, I cut the bread. Peel means to remove the outer skin of something. Example, he peels an orange. Clean means to remove dirt from something. Example, I clean my room. Wash means to clean with water. Example, she washes her hands. Dry means to remove water from something. Example, I dry the dishes. Iron means to remove wrinkles from clothes. Example, he irons his shirt. Fold means to bend something over itself. Example, she folds a towel. Sweep means to clean the floor with a broom. Example, I sweep the kitchen floor. Mop means to clean the floor with a mop. Example, he mops the classroom. Dust means to remove dust from surfaces. Example, she dusts the furniture. Tidy means to make a place neat and organized. Example, I tidy my desk. Organize means to arrange things in order. Example, she organizes her files. Open means to make something not closed. Example, please open the door. Close means to shut something. Example, he closes the window. Lock means to secure with a key or code. Example, I lock the door at night. Unlock means to open a lock. Example, she unlocks her phone. Turn means to move in a different direction. Example, turn right at the corner. Switch means to change from one thing to another. Example, I switch the TV on.
Plug means to connect to electricity. Example, he plugs in the charger. Unplug means to disconnect from electricity. Example, please unplug the computer. Charge means to put power into a battery. Example, I charge my phone. Repair means to fix something that is broken. Example, he repairs bicycles. Buy means to get something by paying money. Example, I buy groceries every week. Shop means to look for and buy things. Example, we shop at the mall. Pay means to give money for something. Example, she pays the bill. Spend means to use money. Example, I spend money on books. Save means to keep money for the future. Example, he saves part of his salary. Borrow means to take something that you will return later. Example, I borrow a book from the library. Lend means to give something for a short time. Example, she lends me her pen. Return means to give back something. Example, I return the book tomorrow.
Exchange means to give one thing and receive another. Example, we exchange gifts. Order means to ask for goods or food. Example, I order a pizza. Sit means to rest on a chair or seat. Example, please sit down. Stand means to be on your feet. Example, he stands near the door. Lie means to rest with your body flat. Example, I lie on the bed. Rest means to relax after work or activity. Example, she rests after lunch. Sleep means to rest with your eyes closed. Example, children sleep at night. Wake means to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 6 a.m. Dress means to put clothes on yourself. Example, she dresses quickly. Undress means to take your clothes off. Example, the child undresses before a bath. Wear means to have clothes on your body. Example, he wears a blue jacket.